Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zintle Gama. Please make this your permanent YouTube home by clicking the subscribe and the notification bell down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, talk to me in the comment section, and share this video with your friends and family. So today I'll be doing DIY natural cornrows, or Snoopy, whatever you call it. So I just put my hair here and I haven't done anything as yet. So you just want to take a small section from the front and then you want to just split it into two and you do a little twist there. And then you want to cross the legs of the twist and place them on either side and pull out a small section from the middle, okay? And then you want to take the small section from the middle and you put it to the left hand side. The piece of hair that was already on the left hand side, you cross it to the right. What was on the right, you cross it into the middle, and that is how you create your braid. Alternatively, you can pull out a small section from the front of your hair and separate that into 3 tiny sections or pieces. From those pieces, you want to start your braid, and until you feel like you have a firm grip at the braid, then you can start feeding in your natural hair into this braid and creating a cornrow. So you do this by just picking out small sections or pieces of hair using your fingernail, and you feed that into the braid, and then you go straight to the back of your hair.